BITLENS, your view into Bitcoin. Bitcoin isn't just digital money. It's a revolution, a silent protest against a world built on control, inflation, and endless debt. For decades, people trusted governments and banks to protect the value of their money. But every year, that trust is betrayed. Your savings shrink, your work buys less, your future slips away. Inflation silently devours everything you own, and debt grows like a shadow over your life. In 2008, after a global financial collapse, a mysterious creator named Satoshi Nakamoto released a white paper. It described something the world had never seen before: a decentralized peer-to-peer monetary system. No banks, no borders, no permission needed. A system where logic and math replace trust. A system where power is not concentrated but shared among all who participate. Bitcoin was born. A system where rules are enforced by code, not by humans. Every transaction is verified by thousands of computers worldwide, beyond government control. No one can print more money. No one can cheat the system. It is incorruptible, predictable, unstoppable. Bitcoin runs on a public ledger called the blockchain. Every 10 minutes, a new block is added, verified by miners and nodes across the globe. Transparent, permanent, unchangeable. Every transaction ever made is recorded forever. That's why Bitcoin is trustless, because you don't need to trust anyone. The network itself guarantees fairness, automatically and openly. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist, hard-coded into the protocol. No government, no corporation, no individual can change it. Every 4 years, the new supply halves, an event called the halving. Scarcity builds value over time. Unlike any other asset, Bitcoin cannot be inflated away. It is harder money than gold, verifiable and unbreakable. Bitcoin is more than an investment. It is a weapon against oppression. Permissionless, borderless, censorship-resistant. Anyone, anywhere, can send value without intermediaries or approval. For those living under inflation, capital controls, or surveillance, it is freedom. Money you truly own. Understanding Bitcoin isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about understanding what money really is, how centralized systems manipulate wealth, and how independence can be reclaimed. Bitcoin is a monument to logic, scarcity, and human ingenuity. A shield against oppression. A lighthouse for the future of finance. The impact of Bitcoin goes beyond wealth. It shifts power from the few to the many. It proves that systems can be fair, transparent, and decentralized. For the first time, you can truly control your own money. And nothing can stop it. This is Bitcoin. A revolutionary technology beyond governments, beyond borders, beyond fear. The first truly global money. Open to anyone who chooses freedom over control. And this is only the beginning. Every block, every transaction, every holder strengthens the network. A system that grows stronger every day. A new era is rising. This is BITLENS, helping you see Bitcoin through a new lens. If you found this valuable, subscribe to BITLENS and keep exploring the world's most powerful form of money.